yeah, nigga. But why you walking like that?
I can't step on the crack, nigga.
What? Come on, blood.
What happened to my uncle, nigga?
What happens if you step on the crack, blood?
We're gonna break my mom back, nigga.
Blood, stop. Come on,
No,
blood.
seriously, that shit happened to my uncle.
Blood, stop. Nigga, what the fuck?
Oh, my bag!
Swear to God, my mama back and everybody broke either, nigga. Swear to... Hello, mama, you alright? Yeah, nigga, my mama back broke.
Why you mad?
I'm gonna tell you why I'm mad. Niggas over here doing the Paramount Theater. Niggas is over here doing the Oracle Arena. They touring. They all on TV. Nigga, what am I getting? I'm getting motherfucking open mic slots at a damn coffee house. A coffee house. These niggas getting paid big dough. I'm funnier than all these niggas. I'm up over here in the coffee house. They talking about they gonna give out tips. There's 3 niggas in there. We all leave with $1.25 a piece. This shit don't make no sense to me, nigga. Make no sense, nigga. I should be on top of this shit. I should be on top.
Everybody gotta start something.
Man, I've been doing this 10 years. 12, nigga, if you consider when I first started and quit and came back. I've been doing it that long. I'm telling you, I'm funny.
Well, tell me a joke.
Okay, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cal says.
Cal says who?
Nope. Cal says moo. See, you a hater, too. Watch out, nigga. I'm gone.
Blood, it's hella cold, man. Where are you at,
Yeah,
man?
nigga, I'm on my way right now. What you talking about?
Blood, that nigga probably ain't even left yet. Blood, did you leave yet?
Ah, nigga, I'm on the freeway right now. Nigga, what the fuck is she talking about?
Blood, no, you didn't. Honk the horn if you in the car.
Hey, everybody, hey, shh, real quick, shh. Beep, beep, beep.
This motherfucker.
Yeah, baby, come on, get on top. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, go ahead and do your thing, man.
You like that?
Uh-huh.
I said, do you like that?
Yeah, baby.
Talk to me. I
What the
said, do
fuck?
you like it?
Yeah,
You
oh,
like that?
yeah.
Huh? You like that?
What the fuck is you...
Do you like that? Do you like that? Answer me. Do you like it?
Job, and niggas mad because I just started working already making 75 cents an hour. But anyway, I'ma still need you to send some money so I can have some checks so when I get out, I can have something to fall back on. But you was right. Out of all the bitches I was fucking with, you the only one that has my back. You a real one. And you said it, them dumb assholes ain't gonna be around when I need them, and they nowhere to be found. But I do need them. Well, dang it, fucked up, but I don't need them hoes, all right? But I don't need them hoes. Fuck them, I got you, and you is all I need. All I need in this life of sin is me and my girlfriend. Babe, I got you, babe. And God, I also need God. Oh yeah, I'm also getting my GED when I'm in here. I've been studying every night this week. Anyway, talk to you later. P.S. If Johnny had 15 apples and wanted to give exactly half away, how many would he have to give away? 7.5? I was the only one that got that one right. Love you.